Here we are in Randolph, New Jersey, doing a tree job for Rod's Tree Service and Landscaping. Property got damaged by the ash borer. All the ash trees are infected. You can see all the leaves pretty much are gone. Even though we're in October, the ash borer is dehydrating the trees. We're also doing a pruning job of all the trees on the property to leave the property safe. All the branches coming to the house. We have the bucket truck set up on the driveway. We have the crane in the backyard. And we have two climbers doing a pruning job spike-free on the left side of the property. All the left side of the property is gonna get pruned. For Rod's Tree Service and Landscaping in Randolph, New Jersey.